Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back and happy holy month of Ramadan. Hope you all are doing well at home. Okay students, today we are having our fourth lesson. Last week we have done the introduction to Asia. So today we are going to discuss about one of the most and developed and industrialized country of Asia. Can you guess that I am talking about the which country? Yes, it's Japan. So let's learn some interesting information about Japan. First, we will see the location of Japan on the map of Asia. This is the map of continent Asia, and this is the location of Japan. You can see here the Eastern Asian side. Japan is an island country. Island means a land which is surrounding by what? The water. Yes, a land which is surrounding by water. So Japan is an island nation. It is consist of almost more than 6,000 islands. It is the world 10th largest country by population wise, and the almost 70% of Japan is in mountainous country, so that's why the earthquakes are common there. So now let's come to our geo book. Take out page number 14. Japan. Here you can see the flag of Japan. Its flag is made up of red circle and the white background. The red circle symbolizing the sun, because Japan is known as the land of rising sun. After this come to facts. Number 1 is capital. Tokyo. Tokyo is the capital city of Japan, and it is also one of the highest populated country in the world. Second number is currency. The name of the currency of Japan is yen, and 1 yen is equal to Pakistani 1.50 rupee. The third point is the religion. You can see here there are two official religions written here. Number 1 is Buddhism and the second is Shinto. Shinto religion is mostly practiced in Japan, and in this religion the people believe on all the natural elements. Language. Definitely they speak the Japanese language. Now come to the paragraph. Japan is known as the land of rising sun. Japan is the most modern and developed country in Asia. Its another name is Nippon. Japan is also known as Nippon, and the meaning of Nippon is sun. Its capital, Tokyo, is the largest city in the world with a population of 36 million. The important cities are Kyoto, Osaka, Hiroshima, Yokohama, and Nagasaki. It is an industrial country. Japan is home to some very large industries of the world. Basically, Japan's major export industries are include like automobiles, electronics, computers, etc. Like Sony, Panasonic, Toyota, Honda, Suzuki and Nissan. There are so many other well-known companies are belongs to Japan, such like the Sharp, Toshiba, Canon, etc. Okay, Look at the logo of some of the very famous car industries of Japan. This is the logo of Honda, and this is the logo of Suzuki. This one is the logo of Toyota, and this is the logo of Nissan. Okay, now come to the next page. Japan is the only country in the world which was attacked with atomic bombs. Two of its cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, were completely destroyed by atomic bombing done in 1945 by the USA to bring the prolonged World War II to an end. Okay student, I want to share a little bit information about it. On August 1945, during the World War II, which was started from 1939 to 1945, during this time of period, the end of the war, you can say, when the war was ended, during that time the American bomber dropped the world's first developed atomic bomb over the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. First they dropped the bomb in Hiroshima. After 3 days later, the second dropped bomb on the Nagasaki. This atomic bombing killed so many people in Japan. The long-term effects of radiation exposure also increase the cancer rate and by birth defected. Okay, Japan has the fastest train known as Shinkansen bullet train. Maybe you have here the name of the bullet train. Japan is the first country to build dedicated railway line for high-speed travel in 1964 and was widely known as bullet train because of its high speed. I will show you the picture of bullet train. This is the picture of bullet train. As you can see, the shape of the train is also just like bullet. As its speed is, I told you that it is very much fast like the bullet. Currently, more than 20 countries including UK, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, China and so many other on have the bullet trains. It's kind of resembled a bullet, so the name is stuck. Sushi, beautifully presented raw fish meal, is a popular dish in Japan. It is most commonly eaten fish in Japan. Now let's come to the Japanese language words. Here you can see there are written the few words. Number one is Ohayo gozaimasu. In Japanese language, they say Ohayo gozaimasu for good morning. Okay, I want to share one thing more about the Japanese culture, that in Japan you bow instead of shaking hand. Whenever we meet to each other, we shake the hand, but in Japanese culture they bow instead of shaking hand. Number second word is konnichiwa. Konnichiwa means good afternoon. The third word is sayonara. Sayonara means goodbye. Number 4 is arigato. Arigato means thank you. Okay boys, you can do the practice these most common Japanese word with your sibling at your home. Okay, this is the picture of Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is the highest point of Japan and it is also the natural shrine of Japanese culture. Okay students, that's all for today. Do learn the important facts at home. See you soon. Stay happy. Allah Hafiz.